Hello my friends, today I've got an unboxing of the Maersk Shipping Container. Weird subject, but something about shipping containers that does bring a bit of an alluring attraction. These two are tarmac works ones, so they're plastic, but they are still pretty cool. But what we're here today for is the Maersk diecast one. So it's going to be an unboxing. I've got my Liberty Walk R35 and the GT2 in 164. This is a 164 scale, and we'll see what it looks like. Okay. I can't wait. So just something about shipping containers. Very dry, nothing. Let's go. Struggling. Yeah, just outside here. So ignore the background noise. I'm excited about this. It really says here, it's a full die cast construction, no plastic parts, detailed interior. The doors actually do open. It's got a bit of weight to it. And yeah, it's pretty cool, I must say. It's going to be just sitting on my computer desk, and I might put a car or two in there just for show. So here is the container itself. Good packaging. Okay. We all know, we've all seen this container before. Whoa, down at the bottom of the Pacific Ocean. Now that's cool. By MiniGT, it is full solid metal. This end doesn't open, but this end does, so I could show you. There we are. How cool is that? Painted interior, wooden floor, and white walls, just as you would in any container. All the labels are there. Very solid. Looks exactly like a container. Nothing to it. If you put two cars in there, that's what it looked like. I hope it fits. I hope I can squeeze the cars in. Let's see. Oh, no. It doesn't fit. Well, it is a Liberty Walk wide body, but let's see if this Porsche fits. It does. So the Liberty Walks might not, because obviously they're wide. But hey, Porsche fits. That's pretty cool. Yeah, this is a MiniGT 164 scale car. I really like it. I'm just going to put that there for now. And just along the side, these are just plastic containers. I wonder if they both have the same size. This has got a visual thing, so you can see what it looks like. I wonder if I can stack them on top. Maybe not to scale, almost, but you get the point. That's what a shipping container yard looks like. But yeah, happy to show you the Maersk. Wow. I like it. They cost about, I got this on eBay, $39 plus $10 shipping, Australian dollars. So yeah, for something die cast and this solid, I think it's pretty cool. Pretty good to have it on your desk with a car on top. It's cool, it fits. Yeah, so your generic Hot Wheels or any non-wide body cars should fit in there. Yeah, I'll show you again the interior of the doors. It's got a click to it, so it doesn't open. It's got a bit of a hinge. Oops. There we go. That's what it looks like. Opens one end. This end doesn't open. Yeah, it's cool. Well painted. Hope you enjoy. Go get one.